In this video, we're going to cover how to set up and manage employee benefits in Deel, one of the most efficient global payroll and benefits management platforms. If you're a business owner or HR manager looking for a simple, streamlined way to manage your team's benefits, you're in the right place. And stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive bonus for you that'll let you try Deel for free, which is something you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. Deel is designed to help you handle remote teams across the world, and managing employee benefits is one of its standout features. Setting up employee benefits in Deel starts with creating a comprehensive benefits package for your team, whether they're full-time or part-time employees, contractors, or freelancers. Deel makes it easy to customize benefits by region, so your employees get the right offerings wherever they are. To get started, first, you'll need to log into your Deel account. If you haven't yet, you can set up a free account using the first link in the description below. Deel makes the setup process incredibly easy to follow. Once you're logged in, head to the benefits section from your dashboard. From here, you can add new benefits plans, which include health insurance, retirement plans, wellness allowances, and more. Deel offers a variety of options, making it simple to choose the best ones for your team, based on their needs and location. This feature is incredibly useful because it ensures that each employee gets benefits suited to their local legal requirements and personal preferences. Let's break it down. To add a new benefit, click on Add Benefit. Then select the type of benefit you want to offer. You can pick from standard options like medical insurance or more flexible perks like gym memberships, mental health support, or even home office allowances. Deel will guide you through the process of choosing a benefit provider and setting up the cost structure. For example, let's say you want to add a health insurance plan. After selecting the provider and benefit type, Deel will prompt you to fill in necessary details like coverage amounts and employee contribution levels. You'll also be able to set up eligibility rules, such as which employees are eligible based on their work location or employment status. Once you've added all the necessary benefits, Deel will automatically apply them to your employees' profiles. This means no more manual tracking or paperwork. Everything updates in real time, and your employees will receive notifications once their benefits are active. Managing benefits within Deel is just as easy. If you need to update or remove a benefit, it's all handled within the same dashboard. For example, if an employee changes their location or employment status, you can adjust their benefits with just a few clicks. Deel ensures that all updates are compliant with local laws, so you don't have to worry about missing anything legally. One of the best parts of Deel's platform is its transparency. Employees can see exactly what benefits they have access to, which is great for clarity and trust. And as an employer, you can run reports that show exactly how much you're spending on benefits and where you might need to adjust. If you're concerned about the complexity of international benefits management, Deel makes it incredibly simple. Deel takes care of all the legal complexities involved in offering benefits across different countries, whether you're dealing with healthcare plans in the US, pensions in the UK, or other local requirements. Deel's global infrastructure ensures compliance. Before we wrap up, remember you can try Deel for free through the link below, which includes exclusive bonuses. Deel is the perfect solution for growing companies that want to take care of their remote teams without the headaches of traditional HR systems. So, to recap, setting up and managing employee benefits in Deel is incredibly straightforward. With a few clicks, you can offer your team a personalized benefits package that's compliant and transparent. And don't forget, by using the link below, you can access Deel with a free trial and some exclusive bonuses that'll help you get started without any commitments. Thanks for watching, and remember, Deel makes managing employee benefits as simple as clicking a button.